In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a dashboard widget on Smartsheet. Copying widgets is a simple but really useful trick, especially when you want to reuse the same design, formatting, or layout across different parts of your dashboard without having to rebuild everything from scratch. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and I'll also add a few tips so you understand what's happening and how to use it effectively. First, make sure you're signed into your Smartsheet account and that you have the dashboard open where the widget you want to copy is located. You'll need to have the appropriate permissions to edit that dashboard. If you can move or resize widgets, you should be good to go for copying them as well. Now, locate the specific widget you want to duplicate. This might be a chart, a title, a metric, an image, or any other type of widget on your dashboard. Move your mouse over that widget and look for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon usually appears in the upper right corner of the widget when you hover over it. Those 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that widget. Among these options, look for the one labeled Copy. This is the command that will duplicate the widget and its current configuration. Click on Copy. As soon as you select that, Smartsheet will create a copy of the widget. In most cases, the copied widget will appear right on the same dashboard, usually near the original widget. It will keep the same formatting, size, and content as the one you just copied, which makes it perfect for creating consistent layouts. After the copy appears, you can click and drag it to a new position on the dashboard, resize it, or adjust the settings just like you would with any other widget. If the widget is linked to specific data, be aware that the copy will point to the same source, so you may want to edit its settings if you need it to display different information. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the 3 dots on the widget,